What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. And we say attack. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, the attacking boss people, I bring some sad news again, my viewers and subscribers. And I'm telling the people, only just Caesar knows. Every day. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, another one has snapped again. You understand? Because news has reached to the attacking boss attention, people. Is that a female? You understand? Where a lot of people call Yana people, and many people who know her, you understand, few years ago, because she was a very popular dancer, and when many would have called a dancehall queen over there in the United States of America, in Florida, my people. But she is of Jamaican background. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, sad news, you understand, involving where Yana has lost her life, my people. And her life was taken out by the man who was supposed to protect it for her on earth, who is her husband or fiance, whatever they want to call it, people. But as you can look now, people, and you see, this is a post that she make on April 6, right? 2021. And this is what she said. You and me, it a forever king of thing. I made a wish and you came true. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Well, now, viewers and subscribers, 2 days before that, she posted a family picture and she said, Happy Easter from my family to yours. You understand? Because this couple people, they have 2 sons. You understand? 2 young little kids. And my viewers and subscribers, going down to the comment, and on March the 30th, you understand, she posted and she said, they would have to kill me to take my joy. Well, my viewers and subscribers, Yana made this post on March the 30th, so they would have to kill me to take my joy. And my viewers and subscribers, it never take too long. It take less than a month for someone to kill her and take her joy, who is her baby daddy, her husband. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, it is said that on April the 25th, people, 2021, that's on Sunday in the night, my viewers and subscribers, after, arguments and things, people, neighbors hear argument like a domestic dispute, my people, then they heard gunshot bust, boop, boop. Then after that, then seconds, they hear boop, another one. They called police because they were concerned, from the altercation, the argument, and the loud noise, people over there in Florida, my viewers and subscribers. And when they comes a boom now, people, police come. They found the man on the ground unresponsive, and they found her people unresponsive also. With gunshot wounds. When they check, the man, he was already gone, people, but she never gone, and they rushed her to the hospital, and when she reached the hospital, people, she was pronounced dead. And they found the 2 little baby boy, them people, in the house. My viewers and my subscribers, it is really sad. You understand? Really sad. Because on both ends, and I've seen posts and things, people, where a lot of people who know this man, and they must say, yo, they can't believe, they never was expecting this from him. And person posted and say, yo, just like few hours ago, this man was like the happiest man, they're chilling and enjoying themselves. But they never know that this was going to happen. The devil just strike in. My people, listen to me. And what I want to say is, you see when you're in a relationship, people, you know, work out and you see the signs, maybe you have your loved one and you see weird, they look like there's a person who snap and do things, people, and you can make a move and go a far place. Please try to make that move. Don't let, because of, this thing called love and attachment, make you strap in a something when I work out something where you know have your life at risk. Because my viewers and my subscribers, a close friend who know Yana, who know her very well, said she was going through a lot, people. The relationship what she have with this man, people, was really toxic. You understand? It wasn't good. And this man, people, a lot of people know as Rodney, you get me, I say, he did this to her. This man, I don't know his full background if he's of Jamaican descent also, people, but I know she is from a Jamaican background because I tell people she was a very good dancer. A lot of people say, yo, they miss her on the dance floor. She was very jovial. She was nice. You know what I mean? So much good things people have to say about her, and they can't believe how this man just come forward, my people, and just take out the woman, left the two look of you them like that and gone. My people, let me tell you something. Zin, you see, the devil is out there. We talk about the devil, people. And you see, once from a man mentality weak and him mind and him soul weak, my people, the devil are going to take full control of him. No joke about that, people. And this is where the devil just come inside this thing now, people. Because this is the devil work, you know. At times being when I talk about the devil, some people say, New Link, you don't talk about the devil, the man, the evil. Yeah, and it is the devil work. Zin, this man, looking at people, going through the posts and thing, people. Yes, you can know when people have them problem and this and that. You understand, people? But this girl, people, she was a very popular girl. You know what I mean? A lot of people know her over there in Miami, people. Me not talk no joke thing. A lot of people know her. Her family, she have family overseas. She have friends, close friends, people who keep party. You know what I mean? She was somebody who was in the limelight because people used to pay her to come at them party for dance with because she was a very great dancer who know for vibes up the party them over there. You understand? She's like the Jamaican dancehall queen who carry the wings and has spread it over there in the United States of America. See? So there was a lot. So when I look into the whole thing now, my people, Zane, they have their problems, go back and forth, and the post where she make people on me March the 30th when she said, they will have to kill me to take my joy. You know, it have a lot of people thinking, and you have me thinking and say, look at the post like this, and in less than a month, people, somebody do kill her. It's sad. Zane, on April the 4th, they were happy. Happy Easter from my family to yours. On April the 6th, Zane, you and me, it a forever king of thing. I made a wish and you came true. Zine, but nobody knows, people. On April 6th, Zine, that would be our last day of posting on Facebook, my people. That would be, and she was a regular person who loved to post stuff and thing. But sadly, this mother now, people, Zine, and her, they now have a great relationship. I don't know where the vibes are start from, people, but the relationship, as what me tell a friend say, it wasn't good, people. It wasn't great. It wasn't like they was living the best and the man just snapped. They was having their problems ups and downs. She saw the signs before. They was having argument, the curse. Nobody hear them cursing more than once, people, more than twice. You understand? Until it lead to this. I have seen where she make a post, people, and she was recommending some movie. And most of these movies that she was recommending for people to watch, I'm telling you, these are all movies about relationship, about the abuse, about the, you know, them suspense thing, the like them lifetime thing, the people. So you can know that she was going through a lot. And to see where this monster, I'm going to call him a monster because, yo, I now go tell no man say R.I.P., you know. A man who comes about people and take out him own self and take somebody. Me I go tell him no R.I.P., tell him R.I.P. for what? I'm going to say R.I.P. to the female Yana who has lost her life. But for this man, people, with R.I.P., this same thing, yeah, a straight attack for it. And I have seen where women are pouring out love for him. And I said this and I said that. For a monster like this, no love, nothing did it. Zane, my viewers and my subscribers, I know a lot of people would think at times when I would say, yo, they would drive a man for this and drive a man for do what? Zane, I have been there, people. I've been through a relationship where a woman could have driven me to the point for the things where I've been hurt. We understand we have been used before. You get what me I say, leave with nothing. And what? Be honest, people. If me did come to a woman and do certain things, so me that day. Behind bars, I'm there, me rat out and gone. While the other person rat out and gone. No. It's better when it comes to boom, and you know what, you'll take them past there, and if there was a mistake or something, you'll learn from them people and go forward and make better your life. And today date, you understand, I can tell you this, people 100%, I am way better than the person who do that to me. Zane, me not hate the person, you understand, I don't have nothing against her, but all I'm saying, my people, it take times. Zane, you no need for nobody that comes to boom and take out nobody because of relationship and this and that. Look, the guy now, left your two youth, them motherless and fatherless. For what reason? Over what? Because she go with the pum pum? Over what? Because you start an argument? Because you did have something go on or something? Over what? My viewers and my subscribers, I know not, this man friend ain't gonna like it. You know what I mean? Because I've seen where they pouring out the love, but attack feet. Straight attack feet. She never deserved this, people. The young girl, people, was a girl who was enjoying herself. Yana was, from younger age going up, people. She was a fun person. She was the life of the party. Not going to say up to date, she was the life of the party, people. But I'm telling you, about a few years ago, she was in there, people. She was the dancer. A lot of people who know her can tell her this personally. When I check the comments, I know you're going to see people who know her. And I say, yes, she was a very great dancer. But only just season he knows, my people. And I just want to send out my condolences to her and all her family. And if you are two local youth, them people, it's sad. No motherless, no fatherless people, and may our soul rest in peace. And for the man them out there who do them thing, you snap on them and a man over them. Brother, we need to get a mindset. We need to find job. We don't know what's wrong with it, But make the woman them live star. Jaja. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man. I don't know, say they attacking boss there, New Link from New Link Production, people. And I just more love and more respect, people, and peace. And just be safe out there, my viewers and subscribers, because the devil loose. Peace out. Attack. Big up.